Hi, welcome to Auntie Nat's Crochet. Thank you for choosing this video. Allow me to teach you how to play with yarn. Do subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is at this corner over here. It will mean a lot to me. And do check out my other videos too. They are all as informative and fun to learn as this video. And today it's all about the daisy. I have some daisy here. I did some daisy in the earlier post. The daisy come in 3 sizes. We have a bigger one, a medium one, and a smaller one. So this particular video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to turn all this into, you can turn it into keychain as well, but for this particular video, I'll show you how I attach it to this earring. This is a hook earring and this type of earring. This earring opens up like this. And it closes like this. And this is a brooch. So you can, for the daisy pattern, for this daisy pattern, you can go to my, I will share the link in the description box below. You can get it from my description box. The link to how to make this daisy is actually very easy. You just go get some colorful yarn to make it kind of look outstanding. So now I'm going to teach you how to do one of the, all of this. So maybe we can start with the brooch. Okay, for the brooch, I have something like this. This is empty brooch. You can get it online. You can, I think the name should be brooch or empty brooch. Then you can actually sew or stick your whatever here, whatever pattern you want. So today I'm going to do this one here. So first, open up this needle, this pin. By right, it is pin up like this. You open it up, and the last petal, so once I'm done here, just cut the yarn, leave a little bit of tail. The hole is kind of small, so find a needle that can go through. Okay, this needle is suitable. Oops, it's not easy to put this through. Also, the hole is kind of small. Okay, once you have this, make sure this one goes to the back. Go one loop away first. Just to make sure this close up. And then from the back, this is the back, this is the front, this is the front, this is the back, and you make sure the needle faces the back like this, the needle, and then you just put through here and here. The hole is kind of small, so I don't think you can put through few round. And then close the needle, and here it goes like this, and you continue to hide all this in between here. I think sew it on is way better than stick it in. than using glue. Because once you use glue, this will harden. So it also depends. There are those who would like this flower to harden. If you want this flower to harden, you go spray some glue, starch, sorry. You go spray some starch and dry it, and it will stay hard. So here, just make sure you go through all this. As much as you can. You don't have to go too round, and you can cut it. Oh, this is the previous tail. And here we have the brooch. So it's just very easy. You can just open it up. You can pin it onto your bag or your clothes or your shirt. And here, so this is up to you whether you want to starch it and make it harden or just leave it like that. So this is going to be soft. Okay, so next we're going to do the earring. Okay, for this flower, doesn't matter you're doing the big flower or the small flower, so long this is the last petal that you're going to do, you leave some tail, cut the yarn and put a needle at the end of it. This is the yarn from here, and go get your earring. This earring looks like this. You can get it online. So it opens up like this. Oh, sorry. It opens up like this, and it closes like this. Opens up like this, and it closes like this. So now we are going to put through the hole here. So you make sure that the flower faces this side. Now this is where we're gonna hook onto the ear. So like this. So hold it this way. Use this needle. Put through. Okay, now leave this here. Let it be there. So I am supposed to have a chain 10. So I do a chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 5 and push this as near as possible here, and continue to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So chain 10 with this here, and go to the next stitch and do a slip stitch. And here I am supposed to, you can do this way. So you pull tight, and you have this here. And then this is the front, this is the back. So now I just put through to kind of hide the tail, some of the tail. And you can cut the yarn. And here we will have a pair of earrings. Oh, sorry, this is the front. So if you want your earring to be hardened, you spray some starch. Spray some starch and you dry it up, and it will harden. And make sure this part, when it hardens, make sure it's like this, it doesn't pull that much. have a pair of lovely flower daisy earring. Okay, now I'm going to do this earring. So you can get this online as well. So this earring, you just hook it into your ear, just like this. You hook it, and there's a hole here. So same thing. I've cut the yarn, I put through. Let's see, 2, 4, okay, 5. Bring this as near as possible. Bring this down here, just next to your hook, and you start to crochet. And slip stitch. Oh, okay. I'm supposed to bring this over as well. This is the tail from the yellow part. So once I fasten it, just put through all this. And you have an earring. So you can have one flower earring, or you can have 3. Let me show you how I join this. You make another flower. Make sure this flower is smaller than this flower. And when you come to the last petal, okay, this is the last petal, then you take a look at this flower. Somewhere here, I use this one. Let me do that again in case I got off camera. I'm not sure. Okay, so here I have 4. Make sure this is right below it. Just take the petal and continue to crochet. And go to the next stitch. And okay. And same thing. I'm gonna hide this. So like I said before, you can actually leave it like this. These earrings are soft, or you can use starch to harden it. You can put starch. So there you have it. You can have one with 2 flower, or you can have one with 3 flower. So the tutorial for today, you have a brooch, earring, and you have this earring, whether you want to have a long earring or a short earring. Okay, hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next post.